Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sipniewski. Thank you so much for popping by my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about lenses and how lenses can affect the way that you look in video. So you ever watch a video of yourself and you're like, yeah, something's not right. I can't quite put my finger on it, but I look off, like weird. Like, why do I look so weird? A lot of it has to do with the lens that you have on your camera. So the lens that I have on my camera right now is a Sigma 12 to 24 millimeter. This is a wide angle lens. Now there's upsides and downsides to a wide angle lens. The upside, of course, is that you can hold your camera at arm's length and your whole face is not going to take up the screen. You're going to see a lot of you and a lot of the environment that you're in, which is great and wonderful. It's also good if you're in a smaller studio, you don't have that much space to work with. Wide angle lens is going to be perfect for that. But let's talk about the downside of the wide angle lens. The downside is that it distorts the way that you look. So right now I can look in the monitor and I can see, like, I don't look right. My face looks longer and it looks thinner. So what I'm gonna do in this video is run through a different battery of lenses, putting them on so that you can see how they affect the look of my face, because it's gonna affect your face the exact same way. So I thought, you know what, this could be fun. Let's go ahead and make fun of me. Next up is the Rokinon 16 millimeter lens. This is the lens that I normally use for my tutorials. However, I usually have the camera in 4K, which seriously crops the image. I have it strictly in high def, so this is going to be closer to the 16 millimeter, even though I'm using a crop sensor lens. So let's roll out at 16 millimeters. Now we come to everyone's focal favorite of 24 millimeters. And now I have on the Rokinon 35 millimeter lens. Now we've come to the nifty 50. And this is the Canon 50 millimeter lens. So I think, judging by the monitor and looking at it, this is probably a more accurate depiction of what my face actually looks like if you compared it to the 12 millimeter and the 35 and even the 24 millimeter. So let's go ahead and scroll through all the different lenses so that we can see how these different focal lengths affect the look of our face. So hopefully this video helped you guys understand how the different focal lengths affect the way that your face looks on video. Listen, when it comes to vlogging, there's going to be no way around it. You're going to need a wide angle lens. This way, you're just not checking out your eyes in the camera, because even though this is a beautiful lens, there's no way that I could use this with vlogging, because this is what you would see if I were vlogging with a 50 millimeter lens. And nobody wants to see every little nook and cranny of your face, every little imperfection, and you don't want to show that off. So unfortunately, when it comes to vlogging, the wide angle lens is going to be your best friend. So hopefully this little video helped you guys understand how those focal lengths are really going to affect the way that your face looks on camera. All right, guys, well, that is going to wrap it up here for me tonight. I thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, wear your sunblock.